Hey everyone! Today I am making one of my favorite easy desserts. A zero sugar berry dunk cake. That's right, a berry dunk cake. You only need a few ingredients. And it's so good, nobody's gonna believe it is sugar-free. Here's what you are going to need. A cake mix. If you have the zero-free cake mix, you can use it. I didn't have it, so I'm using just a yellow cake mix. A 16-ounce zero Sprite, zero sugar Sprite. Blueberries, the frozen blueberries from the freezer that are frozen. Or you can also use peaches, mixed fruit, triple berries, what kind of berries you want to use. I'm going to use the blueberries. And then the Cool Whip, I'm using the reduced fat. You can use that. That's all that goes in. I spray a 9 by 13 pan, and then I am going to pour the blueberries evenly in the pan.
Huh? 16 feet, you know, there's a little bit of difference, 16 and 30 feet long is almost as long as some of the smaller mobile homes. Well, that one of James over there is only 48, and that
Let me wash my hands.
you know, 30 feet per stick. You can buy company over and have all the grandkids there.
Okay, then you're going to sprinkle the cake mix evenly across. Just sprinkle it over.
Well, let's do it right over to it.
We don't mix any, we just sprinkle it on. Okay, now slowly pour the zero Sprite all over the top. See, you'll see it bubble a bit. Just what makes the magic happen. Again, don't stir it, just let it soak through the cake. Bake at 350 degrees for about 50 to 55 minutes until golden and bubbly. Okay, once it's done, take it out of the oven and let it cool, and then put a generous amount of reduced fat Cool Whip on it. Or if you would like, just scoop some into a bowl and put some Cool Whip on it. You don't have to put it all over it. It's up to you, whatever your liking is. Some of it is, the cake don't completely cook on all the way on it, as you see, but that's okay. It's still good. It's just a little bit of the powder on the top, but it is still delicious. But don't it look good? Hey, isn't that pretty now with a Cool Whip on it? That's some kind of good. Ooh, nice and purty. Well, that's it. A super easy, zero-free dessert. It's a dunk berry cake. So if you like it, hit the like and subscribe for more easy dessert recipes. And as always, have a wonderful day and God bless y'all. Thank you. It's also, don't forget, it's also good for the holidays, and a potluck dessert goes with it, go with it. So, but I love y'all all.